Hi everyone, this is a quick video about your musculoskeletal research topic. So as you can see, here we are on D2L. If you scroll right on down, you're going to see musculoskeletal individual topic remote. So you need to click that, and that will bring you right to this page. And like I said, there's a topic next to each person, and it's in a Word document. So I want you to open this up and look it over and see your name. If you had submitted a topic and you don't see your name with the topic, please contact me as soon as possible. I tried to give everyone their first choice, but sometimes that didn't work. There is a lot of overlapping, but that should be okay simply because your research questions should differ. So even though some of you are doing the same topic, you should still be able to do different sorts of research based on what that research question is or what you want to specifically know about the topic. Okay, if you have any other questions, let me know. You can email me at snutting@nycc.edu. Thank you. Have a good day.